Hi, welcome back to the VK Online Education Training course. The theme of this unit is Database Generator. This function mainly used to store all the driver for our devices, that can be controlled using VK 2100. We can also use this function to create a custom driver for our devices. We show this feature from the toolbar above. Here, you will see the Database Generator, and click on it to open. In the startup window, it will ask you whether you want to add a new device. Add device from ATEN library, and copy it to your own library. Or the last one, add device from driver file. We can export our own driver that we have created as a VKD file. You can share this file with others. If you receive this file, you can use these third option to import the driver in this VKD file, to your own library. Let's begin by adding a device from ATEN library. Here, you can search by category. You can also directly enter keywords to search for the driver you want. We use VP 2730 as an example. You'll see a VP 2730 driver. Check the option, and click Add to My Library button. After finished, you will see this VP 2730 driver in my library. We can click it, and then see the content inside. On the left panel, it will display the equipment brand and its classification model. There is also a history here. There are usually some modified messages here, to show any other information about this driver. You can also write the information here by yourself. Next, you can check its communication protocol, whether it is using RS-232, or other type of connections. And underneath it, you can check its port settings. On the right panel, you can see the name of all the functions and commands it actually have. Here, we can also use the database generator directly. It is able to connect to the VK2100 controller directly to test this command. We first select this command. Its function is switch the source of input and output. Click Send here to send it. Next, connect to your VK controller. It will automatically search the controller, or you can directly enter the IP to find it. Found my VK controller here. We select it. Then, select the port. Here, we choose the fourth port of RS-232. Click OK to proceed. Now, select the parameters of the command to be sent. There is an input and output selection here. If you choose the first one, it will send all the parameters. Here, we choose one of the instructions to send it to the device. We select input 2 here and output 1 here. Click Send Test command to proceed. You will see its completion message, and the return message of this device. The return message is command OK. It means VP 2730 returns command OK message, after switching input 2 to output 1. This also means that the action is done on VP 2730. Then, there is a function to allow us to store this feedback message. Here, we press Add. And then click the feedback below. You will see that the command OK message has been saved here. And, you can name this feedback. And press Save and Exit. At this time, you will see that your feedback is stored in this command. If you want to modify it, you can double-click here. You can see the feedback you just saved. Of course, you can store multiple feedback in one command. This is all the content of this unit. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.